Stop. You're hurting me. Don't push any further.
No, not really. Much more height.
He's tight.
Okay. Mr. President, you going to come visit us soon?
I will. I love it.
Can you give us a date? When do you think you'll be going to
I have property there, and I may never get to see it again.
Will you
but
play
I
golf?
I will tell.
Do you play golf?
I do play golf.
Will you play golf, Marty?
I don't, but I'm always willing to learn, so you can take me for a few rounds.
Are you going to visit the border, Mr. President, with Northern Ireland?
Well, that's an interesting border also. We have two interesting borders. One happens to be where you are, right? It's going to be interesting to see what happens. It's my great honor to have the very popular Prime Minister of Ireland with us, and we're having some good talks about trade and about military and about cyber and all of the other things that we're talking about. The relationship is outstanding and only getting better, and it really is a very special group of people. A tremendous number of Irish are living in New York, where I grew up, and they're living in the United States, and these are truly wonderful people. We love them. And Mr. Prime Minister, great to have you. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thanks for the invitation.
The legs for the hat.